Spicy molasses sauce coated on oven-baked chicken. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we have your new go-to chicken recipe. We are cooking our sweet and spicy oven-baked chicken. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and make spicy molasses sauce. Pour molasses into a jar. Pour in hot sauce, mustard, rice vinegar, and toasted sesame oil. Also add Creole seasoning. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Check out our channel for other simple recipes. Also, subscribe and click on notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Peel and mince ginger. Add ginger to the jar. Mince garlic. Add garlic to the jar. Cover jar with a lid. Shake until combined. Pour half of the sauce into a ramekin. Before seasoning chicken, make sure it is dry. Combine Creole seasoning with salt and pepper. Line a sheet pan with oil and place a baking rack on top. Place chicken on the baking rack. Skin side up. Coat the chicken with canola oil. Sprinkle half of the dry seasoning onto chicken. Bake in oven 15 minutes. Remove chicken from oven. Coat chicken with spicy molasses sauce. Turn chicken over. Season with the remaining dried spices and bake 15 minutes. What homemade sauces do you baste chicken with? Let us know by leaving your response in the comments below the video. Coat chicken with spicy molasses sauce. And turn chicken. Coat chicken with more sauce and bake the final 15 minutes. If you have enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also, subscribe. This helps our channel grow. Remove chicken from oven and enjoy. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.